Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple layout on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, select Open. Then choose while using the app and Allow in the pop-ups. So while using, Allow. Finally, you can swipe up from the bottom of your screen, close your app and go into Devices settings. In Settings, scroll down to access Apps section. Then tap on Manage Apps. Select those three dots at the top right corner and click on Default Apps. Lastly, click on Launcher. Select iOS one in order to apply it and click on Home button. Then tap on Got it. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by accessing the same settings and clicking on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!